In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates for tasks and notes. If you find yourself rebuilding the same tasks or rewriting the same note layouts over and over, templates will save you time and keep everything consistent. I'll walk you through turning both a task and a note into reusable templates and share a few tips so your templates stay clean and useful. Let's start with tasks. Begin by building the task exactly the way you want to reuse it in the future. This is especially helpful for recurring work because everything you include now will be captured in the template. Add the task title, any subtasks you want to track, and the details you refer to often, such as descriptions, links, labels, or attachments. Take a moment to make sure the structure reflects what you'll need next time. If a checklist or a specific order of subtasks matters, set that up now. Once your task looks right, open the task's details. From there, tap or click the three-dot More menu. In that menu, choose Save as Template. You'll typically be prompted to name your template. Pick a clear, memorable name so you can find it quickly later. Then save it. That's it. The template now captures the subtasks and details you set up, so you can create the same task again without rebuilding it from scratch. A couple of quick tips for task templates. Keep the wording generic so it works in more situations, and consider adding placeholders like TBD where information changes each time. Also, double-check that you only included what you want duplicated. Anything present when you save will be part of the template. Now let's set up a note template. Create a new note and lay out the structure you want to reuse. Add your headings, sections, and any guidance text that helps you fill it in later. Think of this as your blueprint. What should appear every time you start a note of this type? When your note structure is ready, open the three-dot menu for the note or look for the Save option right inside the Notes toolbar or Settings. Select the option to save it as a template. Give it a descriptive name, then save. Your note template is now ready to apply whenever you need that layout again. To recap, build your task with the subtasks and details you want, then use the More menu to save as template. For notes, create the structure you like, then use the Notes menu or Save option to store it as a template. With these in place, you'll work faster and stay consistent without the repetitive setup every time.